In the second module, I explained about continentality, that is extreme weather conditions. Now I'll tell you about the relief features. When we say relief features, we are telling about the mountains, the plateaus and the plains. In other words, it is known as landforms. So children, the relief too plays a major role in determining the climate of a place. The high mountains, it acts as a barrier of, I beg your pardon, for cold and hot winds. They may even cause precipitation as they are very high enough and lie in the path of rain-bearing winds. And the other side of the mountain, which is called the leeward side of the mountain, it remains dry. Ocean currents is another control of climate. Now, what is this current? It is a movement of water in the oceans. Another important control of climate is the circulation of water and air. The air in the atmosphere and the water in the oceans, they are in constant motion. You all know this. Now what does it do? It is distributing heat around the world in a regular pattern. Now the warm air and the water, it moves towards the poles, while the cool air and water moves towards the equator. Is that clear to you? So we discussed about the 6 major controls of climate, that is latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, which is also known as continentality, ocean currents and the relief features. I think you all know this fact, isn't it? When the temperature is high, pressure is low, and when the temperature is low, pressure is high. You should never ever forget this. Once again, I'll repeat for you. When temperature is high, pressure is low, and when temperature is low, pressure is high. In this slide, you can see the sea breeze direction. That is, it is blowing from the high pressure area to the low pressure area. Then what about this? Here you see in the land there is high pressure area, in the sea there is low pressure area. So wind is moving from land to sea. So children, in this module we have studied about weather, climate, controls of climate, and India is having monsoon type of climate.